you've noticed, but I'm currently in a different setup. If you saw my last video, it was actually a vlog of me moving. I have a second vlog ready to upload, but I'm gonna upload that on my vlog channel, which I will link down below because I don't really want to upload it on my main channel because low quality and stuff. Anyways, as I was saying, I moved and my room is finally how I want it, which I'm really excited about. My old room really was girly. It had a lot of colors. I feel like I have grown out of it a little bit. So I was really excited that I could redecorate my entire room because I was moving. If I describe my new room, I would definitely say it's really girly. It might actually be girlier than my old room, but it's a lot classier too. Yeah, I don't know, you'll see. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Fem, and I upload videos here. Well, I haven't uploaded in a hot minute, but now that my room is finally done, I am super excited to film again. Subscribe, and if you like this video, you obviously don't know that yet, but you can already give it a thumbs up if you like the intro, you know. Also, this is not really necessary information, but I'm turning 18 on Wednesday. Like, how am I 18? I should be 12. Now I'm just rambling, I'm sorry. Let's just get started. So when you walk into my room, the first thing you see is like this little hallway with a door on the left, which leads to my bathroom, which is really small. It's really messy. The only thing I do really like about it is my bath mat, which is from Urban Outfitters. It says peachy clean, and yeah, apart from that, we're not gonna go into any detail because it's just messy. And then in my little hallway, I have these decorative surfboards hanging on the wall, and I actually want to fill the entire wall with surfboards. Then at the end of the little hallway, I have this ladder standing on the left, and I have normally just my keys or a jacket or something hanging on it. And I actually added these fairy lights, which I think looks super cute. Underneath my bedside table, I have my speakers, which I play music on all the time. And I have this little basket on top with just tissues and stuff. My phone's normally on there. And then my bed is literally one of my favorite parts of my room. It's so comfy, and I always just have white bedding. And then I have these like coral pink pillows, which I got at Zara Home, and they were super cheap because I got them on sale and they were exactly what I wanted. And I have this throw blanket, which is pink. It's from IKEA. Then on the right side of my bed, I have my dresser, and obviously in my dresser I have a bunch of my clothes, and on top of it I have this inspiration board, like my fashion inspiration board. Some of my school projects are on there, my favorite runway pieces, and just a bunch of fashion inspiration, I feel like. Then on top of my dresser, I actually have this little Tiffany's inspired box with white roses in it, and I have this lipstick, which I don't really know it's there. It's just there. It's been there for the past week. And I actually changed the knobs on my dresser. They were black from IKEA, but I changed them for blue ones from Zara. Then outside I have this balcony, which I love to sit on when it's sunny. I love to tan there and just chill, but it was rainy today, so it didn't look that cute. On the right side of my door, I have this mirror, which I added fairy lights to, and I put like one of those like fake sheep rugs, which I think is so, like, it looks so cozy. Like, I just want to sit on it, but I don't at the same time because I don't want it to get dirty. And then I have my Alex 9 drawer, which on top I have some of my favorite perfumes. I have this little jewelry holder, which is a turtle and it's gold. It's so cute. And I have this Victoria's Secret bag because I thought it looked cute. And then in my Alex 9 drawer, I have all my makeup and beauty products. I should probably do an updated makeup collection. If you guys want to see that, let me know, because I have a lot more makeup than I had in my last makeup collection. So I'd love to do a new one. So on the right side of my LX9, I have this little stool, which I think is super cute. It totally matches my room. And in a basket, I have my backpack, which I use every single day. And under the basket, I have like this little coral like towel, which I don't really know why it's there. I just put it there and never really took it away. And then normally I have just some shoes and everything laying on the floor. And then because it's actually too cold to surf right now, my surfboard's just standing in my room in a corner. I don't really hate it. I actually kind of like it there. And then you're back at my hallway, which has my closet too, and my bathroom and my door. So that wraps up my room tour. I really hope you guys like my new room. I personally really do. I feel like it's completely my style. If you're excited to see more videos in this room, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And I guess that is everything for today. I'm definitely uploading next week, so stay tuned. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next week. Bye!
I miss you, pushing me close to the edge. I miss you. I wish I knew what I had when I left. I miss you. You set fire to my world, couldn't handle the heat. Now I'm sleeping alone.